Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, July 9th, 2023. It is 6:36 and 35 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's video diary, North Bay Plastics Factory. So let's jump to it here. Industrial Plastics Canada is soon opening up PFA's Forever Chemical Factory in North Bay, Ontario, on 1040 Wallace Road. Among our politicians, the factory was passed by Chubby Druggy, but didn't go through the Environmental National Protection Registry agencies, which had zero environmental reviews. Unquestionably, one must go directly to the factory to investigate. Needless to say, PFAs are polyfluoroalkyl substances, ubiquitous, eminently poisoning the environment. They are not yet banned in Canada, but banned in a lot of other places, such as the United States and surrounding countries. One must know, PFAs are forever chemicals that reside in the environment for over 1,000 years, and I can most certainly guarantee you that when the factory opens, we will suffer very serious environmental and biological consequences. It is most certainly true. Countryside and local PFA factories are known to cause neurological damage, birth defects, infertility issues, developmental problems in children, and severe mental damage in adults, and eventually premature cancer, etc., etc. One can go further and say North Bay quality will soon deteriorate, and PFAs imminently contaminating Lake Nipissing, Lake Huron, French River, and all surrounding areas with extremely harmful, environmental damaging chemicals and toxic biohazards. One cannot place a value on this profitable and harmful factory. The quality of life and environmental concerns are much more treasured in our small, once known, lovely community. My video diary was written and produced by me, the Professor, scientist philanthropist, writer mathematician, and leader of research. And this video diary was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.